Ang pinaka ano gid, dako gid nga na impact sa life ko is, restoration sang family ko. And of course, people around me who are trustworthy, um, and, especially my brothers and sister here in New Life na before wala ko sang mga friends nga makita ko diri sa New Life.
So, hi everyone! Today I have with me Tita Teens, which is a hardworking mother of three. So, Tita, would you like to introduce yourself first?
Hi, my name is Tin Chua, married for 17 years and a mother of 3.
Wow. So, Tita, would you mind if I go straight away sa atong question? So, for this segment right now, it's all about our year-end seed. For our first question, so, what led you to give, or how did you decide in your heart that you would be participating in a year-end seed? Ano ang reason? Anong rason nga ma-participate ka sa year-end seed?
Back then, no, I was alone and don't have any friends or trusted people bala sa like mga problems ko, wala gid ko sang ginasharan. So, first time ko nga na-met si pastor sa school ni Riley and Hans, and gin-invite niya ko diri sa church. And nakita ko ang mga tao bala the way sila kung ano sila ka-generous maghatag sang seed. That time wala pa ko idea kung para sa ano na siya, and kung ano na balang seed para sa ano na siya. And then last December 2023, may first ko nga nagsow sang seed. So, my experience is tuod manghigili no na you reap what we sow. Parang gano'n.
Yes. So, thank you for that, Tita. So, for this one, diba, as a full-time mom, and of course, diba, we knew that there would be challenges in family, and of course, as a full-time mom, you don't have source of income, things and stuff like that. So, as a mother, what were the struggles and challenges nga along the way na face mo sa paghatag sang aton nga year-end seed, wala labot sang aton nga tithes and offering? So what are those struggles and challenges, and how did you face those struggles and challenges?
For me, budgeting is very hard. No, pero I managed to give para sa seed. Spare gid ko money for that seed na gusto ko i-plant that year.
So, if you knew it in your heart that you would give, you will find ways. Sakto ginano nga magiging BDO kita, we always find ways. Even if there are some challenges along the way. Because kung is actually sa akon man balahaw, kung din pa dito ang lapit ng year-end seed, dito pang damo balayran, especially di ba mga December, damo gidyaganap and everything. So with that, Tita, our next question, in our understanding sa purpose why we give our year-end seed, what has it done in your life since naghatag ka sang imo nga year-end seed?
Thank you for that question. Ang pinaka dako gid nga na impact sa life ko is restoration sang family ko. And of course, people around me who are trustworthy, and especially my brothers and sister here in New Life na before wala ko sang mga friends nga makita ko diri sa New Life.
Wow. So, when we give, that's why the purpose of what we give, because it's a very simple principle. You saw what you reap. So with that, we are so happy with your testimony about the restoration of your family, and we are celebrating with you. So if there would be someone right now who is watching Galantaw, and they knew the purpose of giving, and kabalo na sila sa purpose why they should be giving. And sometimes, may ara pa balag doubts, may ara pa gamay nga doubts. So, how would you encourage them to participate the year-end seed?
Una, ako, before may doubt ko, no, maghatag. But then, nakita ko kung ano bala kamayo ang Ginoo sa akon, kag sa family ko. So, wala nagig ko nagduwa-duwa nga ihatag kung ano man tong na-save ko nga para gid sa seed ko. So, ginhatag ko siya without hesitation. And I reap what I sow. So, amo na siya ang ginhambal ko, ang restoration sa family ko, which is before, wala ko nagig gina-expect na amo na. So, yeah, I'm happy kung ano man ang gin-bless kami ni Lord buo liwa.
We're so glad with your testimony, and we are celebrating it for the restoration of your family. And that's it. It's very simple. Obedience is the key. There is no other way than to obey. And if you obey, surely you will reap what you will sow in. So I hope everyone are encouraged to give. And thank you, Tita, for your time. And we'll see you on in the next segment.